The greater good.
Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. It's been 2 weeks since the Crescendo hard fork for Kaspa. This was a huge event. If you guys don't already know, we went from 1 block per second to 10 blocks per second, and it is a massive upgrade. Now we'll hopefully soon have smart contracts for Kaspa. We should have EVMs for Kaspa, stable coins. Well, we already have KRC20 tokens. So this was a huge event. The base layer for Kaspa is done, and now we can build off of that foundation. So the reason why I'm doing today's video, though, is not to talk about the Crescendo hard fork specifically anymore. It's to talk about solo mining on my KS0 Ultra. It's been about 12 days since I did this video right here, time to go solo, easy guide to solo mining Kaspa. If you guys are looking to solo mine Kaspa, check out that video. It's a very easy guide. I did a follow-up video a couple days later because I already hit several blocks on this video, and I'm going to go over how many blocks I've hit in 12 days since the Crescendo hard fork and how much it's worth versus how much I would have made pool mining. Before we get into all the details of the video, do me a favor, hit the like button. It helps more than you know. Consider subscribing to the channel. I'll scroll through on the screen my most recent videos so you can check it out. If you like this kind of crypto content, subscribe to the channel. And a quick word from the sponsor of the video, Crypto Miner Bros. Crypto Miner Bros has the best brands and the newest and latest ASICs that you can buy. So check out Crypto Miner Bros, use discount code GREATER for $70 off each miner in your order. And the prices that you see on the website are the prices shipped to your door. Also, check out their offers section. They have this offer section tab right here that I always think is really cool. They have like short-term deals that run for a limited time. So they've got like Dogecoin miners, Bitcoin miners. Check that out too. Don't forget to use discount code GREATER for $70 off. Use the link in the description as the official link to Crypto Miner Bros. Thank you, Crypto Miner Bros, again for sponsoring this video. To kick things off, let's see how much my Iceriver KS0 Ultra little mini Kaspa beast would be making per day if we just left it on a regular pool. So my home electric rate is 11 cents for this KS0 Ultra. It's 400 gig hash at 100 watts, and I would be losing 9 cents per day if I was pool mining with this thing. So you guys know I have faith in Kaspa. I have a feeling the price will be going higher. This seems to be the bull run year that we're all hoping for and expecting, but it's hard to see it right now because we're losing money running this miner on a pool. So right now, a KS0 Ultra would be yielding you 1.56 Kaspa per day. So rounding that up, to like 1.6, that's 19.2 Kaspa in the 12 days that I have been solo mining. So now we know the baseline is about 19 Kaspa with the KS0 Ultra on a pool. So let's take a look at my Kaspa pool dashboard, and we'll see how many blocks I've hit in 12 days and how much Kaspa I'm getting per block, how much that Kaspa would be worth right now. And then we'll take a look at how much it would be worth if both of these, the pool mining and solo mining, was like at all-time highs. And then we will see if it's been worth it so far to solo mine. I'm going to be running this for at least 30 days, so I'll do another follow-up video down the line. We know that if you solo mine, it's kind of like based on luck, but with 10 blocks per second on the, after the Crescendo hard fork, the smaller home miners seem to be doing pretty well, at least from my experience and from what I've seen other people talk to me about in my comment sections of my videos and on X. If you're not following me on X, by the way, check out my X page. I can get content out way faster on X than I can on YouTube. So it's at GR8ER Good Mining, and I'll leave that link in the description as well. Also, check out a video I just did recently. Hobbyist invited me on his channel, Hobbyist Miner, and check that video out. I'll leave that link in the description as well. Okay, so here we are in my dashboard on kaspapool.org, and you can see that I've hit 9 blocks in 12 days. And since the Crescendo hard fork, each of the blocks is now worth a smaller amount, but these small home miners seem to be having great luck, or at least mine anyway, with hitting these smaller blocks. So each of these blocks is worth 5.5 Kaspa, but there is a fee for mining with Kaspa Pool You can mine to your own node, and I plan to do a video soon on mining to your own node. I just haven't had the chance to put it all together yet. So you would get the full reward if you were mining to your own node of 5.5 Kaspa. But in the meantime, I have mined 9 blocks, and that 9 blocks of Kaspa is worth around 49 Kaspa. So we're talking 49 Kaspa solo mining in 12 days versus 19 Kaspa by pool mining. That is 30 more Kaspa that I received from switching very easily on Kaspa Pool to solo mine. And like I said, check out that video if you want to learn how to do this. It's super easy. Let's take a look at how much that is worth today. Okay, price of Kaspa dipped a little bit in the last few days. We were as high as 13 cents just earlier in this week. So we are chopping around anywhere from around 11 cents to as high as 13 cents. So as of today, the Kaspa that I mined solo so far in 12 days is worth about $5.30. So if you compare that to pool mining, we would only made about $2.07 if we were pool mining. So that is significantly better results so far mining solo with my KS0 Ultra. Now, if we hit all-time highs, that's a whole different story too. That would be almost $10 worth of Kaspa in 12 days if we hit all-time highs. So I am very happy so far with solo mining with my little KS0 Ultra. It only takes 100 watts. It's like about 25 cents a day to run this thing. So I would say for me, it's been totally worth it to turn my KS0 Ultra back on. I'm hearing other people talking about hitting blocks with their KS0 Pros. So I feel like the 10 blocks per second seems to be working out very well for me so far. How lucky have I been so far with this little experiment? Let's take a look right here. You just click on blocks and it'll tell you your effort. So here are the efforts that I have put in to mine each block. And you can see they are very low. Like one was as low as 2.39% effort. That's pretty crazy. I have not had a single block over 100% effort. So let's check out the average. Okay, I added it all up and it is 41.49% effort, which is very lucky. So not everyone is going to get that lucky. And hypothetically, if you run this and continue to run it, supposedly the effort will eventually equal out to be 100%, and it'll all average out over time. So far in 12 days, I have not seen that. I have been very lucky. Some people might say, you know, big whoop, you got this KS0 Ultra and you've only mined $5.50 worth of Kaspa in 12 days, and you spent 25 cents a day on power. So you really only profited $2.50, but profit is profit to me, and I want to yield. I'm more concerned about yielding as much Kaspa as I can before things start popping off. And I really do think that Kaspa has potential, not only as a great project going forward for years and years to come, but also for this bull run that we're expecting to happen this year. People are saying the price has been suppressed, the chart looks terrible, but we are still not in altcoin season. We are deep into Bitcoin season still. If you look at websites like blockchaincenter.net, they have an altcoin season index. You can see we are clearly deep in Bitcoin season. Now, I also like to look at potentially what a coin could do when things get wild. Nothing I say is financial advice. I just am telling you what I'm doing. I want to stack as much Kaspa as I can. The year isn't over yet. It's only May of 2025 in what is expected to be a major bull run year. We're not even in altcoin season yet, like I showed you. So I like to toy around with marketcapof.com, and I've shown this before, and I tend to compare it to Cardano because in previous bull runs when Cardano was new, it did multiples that were mind-boggling. And I'm hoping that Kaspa could potentially do the same. So you can go on marketcapof.com, play around with this and see what you think could potentially happen. Kaspa's current price compared to Cardano's current price would give you a clean, almost like a 10x. So we're talking 2,800,000,000 market cap of Kaspa currently. Cardano's market cap is 27 billion. So there's potential for a 10x on Kaspa from here. I like to think that Kaspa could potentially hit $1 sometime this year. if the bull run really kicks off like I'm hoping. Now, just for the heck of it and for hopium, and like I said, nothing is financial advice, but let's say we'll compare all-time high in the tippy top of the previous bull run. That's a market cap of 95 billion. That's a 33x from here. That would put Kaspa at $3.63. So not saying that is going to happen. I'm just saying there's wilder stuff that has happened in crypto. And this project, Kaspa, if you've been following my channel, you already know it's special. It's already proven itself time and time again. It's the fastest proof of work, decentralized block DAG, not blockchain, but block DAG. And it has the ability now for smart contracts. It has the ability to launch KRC20 tokens we've already seen. The miner fees potentially will go up. On top of everything else you're mining right now, you will probably get more fees with your little miners that you have running at home. So right now I'm in the mindset of keep stacking, try different things to make yourself profitable. I've done tons of videos on this. I've shown you how to underclock and undervolt to save wattage if your power situation's a little tighter. I've shown you videos on how to overclock these things from KS0 Pros to KS0 Ultras. I've shown you how to do everything that you could need to know. I've shown you power supplies with the KS0 Ultra. So if you're looking to like overclock your KS0 Ultra, if you have like, say you have free power, you want to overclock it, you want to try solo mining, there you go. I've got tons of videos on this type of thing. I'm trying to help you guys stay profitable if possible. I've already done like videos like on the Nacho pool. You can also stack Nacho if you want to with your KS0 Ultra. So you guys, if you want the most up-to-date crypto mining content on Kaspa, especially with the Iceriver units, follow my channel, follow me on X, check out my Discord. It's a free Discord. I'm not charging you guys anything if you want to join. I have a KS0 Ultra section. I want you guys to be successful with these miners. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and last but not least, don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good.
The greater good.